Hello friends, today we are making our first technical video. So in this I'll just give a brief introduction I'll be installing Ubuntu 18 into my laptop and currently it's having Ubuntu 20 which is showing some issues which I'll show you later on and let's see. Okay guys, so as you see I have opened some random site YouTube, so like you are seeing the frames how it's coming. So this is the issue which I tried solving but it's not working, so I'm finally downgrading my version to 18.0. So guys, for this you have to you need your another laptop on which you are going to make your pen drive bootable. So for that you have to you can just use this particular software. So using you can download this particular software and using this you can boot your pen drive with Ubuntu 18.0 or any other I've already downloaded this. I've already made my bootable pen drive bootable. So basically you have to download Ubuntu 18.0 as well on your another laptop and you can download it from here. So as you see, we are on this page and there is option of see other alternative because it's Ubuntu 20.04 and I'm gonna we need 18.0. So we'll go here and see. Yeah, so it's 18.04 and you can download from here. So I've downloaded this and it's already I've already made my pen drive bootable and I'm gonna so after this you have to insert your pen drive. So guys, we will be using the USB storage device as a booting option to continue to boot from the USB pen drive. And the key to reach here is F12. You have to keep pressing F12 key till you get this while restarting. So you have to choose the first option and press enter. So it will do it and it will take time to come to the point where it will ask for the option to proceed with the installation. Let's wait. Yeah, so we have reached here. So you have to click on this install Ubuntu option and it will pop up some options to continue with the installation. So by default it would be English. You can just press continue. Yeah, just press continue over here as well. So you are supposed to be connected to the internet and so I have my hotspot on and I'll be connecting to this one and it will show either written over on the left hand side or on the taskbar. So just connect to that and once it's connected you can proceed. So it's connected guys. So there are option of normal installation and the minimal. I'll be choosing the normal one and other options as downloaded updates and other installed third-party software. So I'll be clicking both and we'll be going with this and press continue. So it will take some time and we'll wait. So I'm actually this laptop is very clean. It doesn't have any my documents or any important content. So I'm just using this option and I'll be raising the disk and install Ubuntu. it might take some time. So next, it will by default select your time zone. For me, it's in India. It's showing Kolkata. So we'll press continue. Okay, you need to put all these details. So I'll put this and I'll keep it like that. Username. Okay, I'm using this one only. Try not to choose this option because I am not sure if it happened in 18.04 or not, but in 20.04 when I chose this option, when I clicked this one, it was facing issue. You had to make some other changes while booting your laptop only, otherwise it won't log in. So I'm keeping it like that only, and I'll press continue. So it might take some time. It will download some of the updates or some third-party softwares. Will come back after when it gets done. So guys, it had installed some of the updates and retrieving some files. I think it's about to be done. Let's wait a couple more minutes. So guys, it completed, and now as you see the option is you can continue testing and restart now. So I'll be restarting it and I'll remove my pen drive from here. Okay, let's check once. This password should be the same which you had entered while we were seeing the option to create a user, so it should be the similar one. Oh yeah, so we have it. Let's go to settings. Okay, let's open Firefox Works. We'll see if that problem persists or not. So guys, we are just confirming if that issue is again coming or not in 18.4. So it's fine, it's been removed. So I think the main issue is with the Ubuntu 20.04 only. So that's the thing you have to see. You should, if you are on Ubuntu 20.04, then you have to downgrade it, or you can work around that. Even like the thing is for Ubuntu 20.04, it was facing issue while booting, while starting only. I was not able to log in to because of some option while installing. So I had to work around that to make it start. And even after that, as I showed you, the problem was there, so I had to downgrade. I tried multiple approaches to resolve that, but it's not working. So as of now, I would suggest at the time of recording this video, I would suggest to downgrade to 18.04. And if in future this release gets stable, then you can upgrade it, and otherwise try to avoid the update which will come. Like even now it's showing the update over here, so just try not to update it to 20.04. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Do share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, see you in next video.